Don't you just hate when ads cut you off at the cliffhanger of your show or movie? So do we. So we came up with Spotlight, the solution to your ad cutting pet peeve and an efficient solution for Canadian filmmakers.
So first, let's log in using Auth0. This is our inbuilt AI assistant that works based off of Backboard.io. Let's talk about our product and our project for today. So our product is Tim Hortons coffee, and we want it in a Thor movie. Okay, so as you can see, here it takes note of our project, stores it in the memory, and also gives us some other further inquiries that we can ask it. But for now, let's actually get into our product itself. So here we can upload our own video. And then here it will take us to our pipeline. As you can see, it is analyzing, and then it's generating, and then it's also finally rendering the video. Here is the original footage.
Wow. Also, how could you eat an entire hungry?
I like it.
As you can see.
So,
And then here is
also, how
our
could you be this hungry?
generated. As you can see, the Tim Hortons cup is added into our video. As you can see here. So now let's talk to our chat bot again. We can even refresh the page if we want. Here we go to our chat. What was our project?
Right, so as you can see, that backwards memory model made it very easy for us to implement persistent storage throughout our project between different LLMs. And this is during the handoff from ideation to the actual video generation. And it also allowed us to have efficient context retention based on the user. So what we did was we basically fed Auth0's tokens into it as well to allow different memory storages for all users, which is what allowed us, or allowed backwards model to remember our previous chat.
And we also have another feature for companies specifically, where they can store their products. So let's say we want to add a product for shoes, and then it's going to be $100, let's say, and then we add it here. Now we can, since it is connected with our AI directly and it's stored into our, with using Backboard, we can ask our AI assistant directly, what are all of our products? Yeah, so as you can see, it noted our previous conversation, but also checked what I added into our product section here, which is the shoes.
So, say I was an advertiser who wanted to promote Beats headphones, especially through promoting through movies. So, let's first go to Create, go to Start Editing, and choose from the catalog. So, let's go to American Psycho. It then understands the movie and chooses a spot to virtually integrate the ad directly into the movie. So, now let's go to the ad placement and see that it has successfully replaced it with Beats. We can go to learn more about the product. And now let's go back to products. Let's delete the Beats headphones and focus on Tim Hortons, for example. We don't have a marketing plan, so we'll upload an image instead. Currently, the image isn't uploaded. However, it is reflected upon the video library as we see in the top right. So now let's go to one of our example ads. Gemini then analyzes the scene to understand the best place to put our ads, especially in this clip. So now we can see the top 3 places to put our ads, as well as the estimated value of them. And now you can see that all these ads work for our product.